Need to update your payment info on Cricket Wireless? No problem. As of September 2025, Cricket Wireless allows you to easily change your payment method through their website or mobile app. You can update your debit or credit card info, switch to ACH bank transfer, or manage your auto pay settings. This digital-first approach ensures a secure and convenient way to manage your payments. Access through their mobile app or website for various payment options, including ACH bank transfers. To change your payment method, log into your My Account on the Cricket Wireless website or mobile app. Navigate to the Billing or Payment Methods section. Here, you can add a new debit or credit card by entering the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. To use ACH, you'll need your bank routing and account numbers. For autopay, you can toggle it on or off and choose your preferred payment method, either debit, credit, or ACH. Remember that changes usually take effect immediately for future bills, and Cricket uses security protocols like 2FA to protect your information.